From above, every ground may look the same, but not every child gets the same chance to play. Some have talent but no opportunity. Some have space but no support. That's where one journey began, leveling the playing field. A flagship CSR sports initiative by Kettle Lane, implemented by New Age Evolution Foundation, is not just about sports, it's about access, confidence, and a fair chance to dream. Over the last 2+ years, this journey has reached 7+ districts of South Rajasthan, covering 120+ villages and 250+ government schools. Out of this, 80+ schools received sports infrastructure, 130+ schools received sports material, and in 50 schools, material was refilled based on performance and proper maintenance. At the heart of this efforts are 65,000+ children, youth and players. What started with access has now become a system. Across schools, 280+ structured sports sessions have been conducted, creating nearly 720+ hours of sports engagement. Today, 15+ schools run sports activities regularly on their own, and more than 5,500 first-time players have entered structured sports. To build confidence, 10 tournaments and leagues have been organized, bringing players from rural and tribal areas into competition spaces. Winners and talented players are supported further to compete at state and national levels. From these grounds, 500+ players have reached district competition and 100+ players have reached state and national exposure. Through sponsorship, 10 players have been supported across sports like judo, athletics, boxing, and more.
Among them, Divya Pawar, whose journey began in challenging circumstances, rose from these grounds to represent India internationally in judo and is now selected for the Indian national judo team for Kazakhstan. Sonakshi Pandit has been selected for an international qualification event and recently won a national gold medal in judo. Muskan Chaubisa won gold at National Kickboxing Championship and is now preparing for the Asian Championship qualifiers. Naman Sharma has won multiple national medals in boxing and now serves in the police department through the sports quota. Along with them, Kapil Chaudhary, Bhavish Gamiti, Khushi Pawar, Radhika Soni and other sports players have continued to make their mark at district, state and national levels.
At its core, this project stands for inclusion. More than 40% participation is ensured for girls, and today, girls' participation in sports have increased by nearly 20%. Even para-athletes are supported because here inclusion is a priority. Beyond playing, learning continues. Through 12+ sports injury and nutrition workshop and 10+ life skills sessions, players are learning discipline, teamwork, and self-care. Every session is guided by trained coaches. More than 60 coaches have been trained, and 150+ physical education teachers are now a part of this journey. Schools that are once received support are now leading training and workshop themselves, and the impact goes beyond the ground. School attendance has increased by 10 to 15%. Dropout rates have reduced by 5 to 10%, and around 8,500+ students have shown improvement in fitness. Across communities, over 5,000 parents and villagers are now connected to sports activities. In many villages, evenings have changed grounds, are active, and sports culture is growing. To sustain this, a long-term sports model is active in 8 schools and villages, where sports is now a part of daily life. With 85 to 90% utilization of resources, schools are taking ownership and 2,200+ students are stepping into leadership roles. Performance is rising too. 15 schools have become winners or runner-up after supports in tournament. This journey is continuously monitored, evaluated and supported by Government Education and Sports Department. This is not one organization's effort, it's a collective success of New Age curriculum support, coaches, volunteers, interns, workers, and the students themselves. Because leveling the playing field is not just about sports, it's about fairness, it's about opportunity, it's about changing lives. A heartfelt thank you to Kettle Lane Trading Private Limited for believing in this journey and supporting New Age Evolution Foundation. Looking ahead, this mission continues to grow. We aim to reach 500+ schools, support hundreds of players, expand across all of Rajasthan, and step into a new state where talent still waits for opportunity. Because when the field is level, every child gets a fair chance to win.